Hello everyone, welcome to Seven Sky Next Step. So in today's video we are going to talk about templates and layouts of the AutoCAD. So if I click on the drop down arrow beside new button, I can see templates, and in that we have already some built-in templates for title blocks. We can use them, but for now we are creating our own template. So I have opened a project, and if in the lower left corner you see model layout, so I'm going to use one of the layout. This is the working I have done already, but let me go to this one. Let me delete all these things so I can make it for you. Now you see a page. If I right click on it and set the page, you can modify it. You can choose whatever the page you like. For now, I'm going to use A3 and its landscape. Okay, so now it's A3. We can also rename it by double click on the layout and A3. So you have a page here. After that, to show your drawing here, we will draw a viewport here. For viewport, simply type viewport and it will ask you to just okay. And here you can draw a rectangular viewport. Now you see if you move it, you don't actually moving the views or zoom in, zoom out. You are uh, zooming in on the page, not in the model. So to go there, just double click on the viewport and now you can edit or change the project location. So that's how this viewport works. And to exit the edit mode, double click on the page anywhere and you will be there. Now there are two options for you. Make a rectangle here if this is a horizontal sheet, or you can make a rectangle here if you are using this type of block, title block. For now, I'm considering this one. So REC for rectangle, specify base point, and try to be in the margins. So this is how there is a rectangle, and now I can draw center lines to divide this, or you can explode it and use the make multiple sections as you like. This is for logo, this is for general notes, this is for area calculation. After that, the client, and after that, you can have anything else like architecture stuff, provisions, and all that thing. So, yeah, it is. We can also insert pictures, your logo, or we can go to annotate tab and insert multi-line text here. That will do first. Now I will insert text, so it will be good. as it is a multi-line text, so we can use it by hitting enter. You will go to the next line, and for now I just example text and enter to up to. Okay, and now I just make a copy of this, select this edge, it will not compromise the space and look just similar. So this is how you can use the text in this. So our title block is ready. You can also insert a logo here, and for that go to paste your logo. You can attach the image file. For now, I'm just showing you our logo. Yeah, okay. And specify the base point and this point, and after that it can be moved to center also. And, or you can draw the rectangle around it and make it center. So this is how the title block is ready. Now, if I want to use it on a multiple sheets, I will create its block. So for that, I will select it, specify the base point, and name it title one. Okay. Now, if I want to insert on any other layout like this, this is the page. I can delete it. From the insert, I can insert a recent title block. From here, you can see this is the block, and this is the reference point which we have already set. Now, you see this is not uh, enough to fit here, so I'm going to scale it. SC, enter, base point, and you can fit it as you want, like this. So you can use this anywhere, and this is a block, so double click it and you go to that block. If you want to edit block, click OK, and you go to that edit block screen. Just editing this, close edit block, save changes to title block. Okay, so this is how this thing works. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can contact us. Subscribe for more informational video. Thank you so much.